Locals of Dukli block area are disgusted with continuous electricity problems. They have repeatedly appealed the authorities to solve the power issues, but have not got any positive response yet. Since last 3 to 4 months, people of Kanchanmala, Madhuban and Rani Khamar areas under Dukli RD block have been suffering from power outages. People of these areas have been getting electricity from the Surjamani Nagar power grid substation in Jharjharia. Then the locals had no problems. But suddenly the power supply of these areas were cut off from the Surjamani Nagar power grid substation 3 to 4 months ago on the pretext of machine failure at the substation. Later, power lines were provided from Amtali Shekerkot, which has added to the troubles of the people in these areas. The locals allege that there is no electricity most of the times. Once the power goes out, before 12 hours, it doesn't comes back. Calling at the control room of the power department, the people are told that there is a fault in the line. Moreover, when the people of the area raised the issue with the Surjamani Nagar power grid substation several times and met Pradyut Ghosh in charge of the substation, the problem has not been solved yet. Even a week ago, the people of the area staged protest in front of the Surjamani Nagar power grid substation. Well, the authorities promised to solve the issue within a week. But till date, nothing has been done in this regard. Finally, on Saturday afternoon, people from all the three areas came together and laid siege at the Surjamani Nagar power grid substation. The aggrieved locals demanded to repair the electricity service immediately without any further delay.
আমরা এখানে আইছি কারণ হইছে আমরা বিদ্যুতের সমস্যা। এই বিদ্যুতের সমস্যা শুধু আজকে না, বিগত 4 থেকে 5 মাস ধরে সেটাই বিদ্যুতের সমস্যা। যখন এখানে আসার পরে কয় যে আমরা আমাদের কারেন্ট অফিসে যাওয়ার লেগে আমতলি, ওইখানে গেলে ওইখান থেকে কয় যে না এটা তো এখান থেকে হয়েছে, এইসব নিয়ে। তো আজকে আইসি যে আমরা এখানে যে আমরা এই সমস্যার সমাধান যাতে হয় আজকের মধ্যে, কারণ আমরা যেরকমভাবে আমাদের লোকসান হইতেছে এই বিদ্যুতের ইয়েতে থেকে, তো এটা যাতে আজকেই আমাদের এই সমস্যাটা সমাধান হয়ে যায়।
On the other, when the reporters asked Pradyut Ghosh in charge of Surjamani Nagar power grid substation in this regard, he was reluctant to answer anything. The locals have drawn the attention of the state government and demanded that the people of Kanchanmala, Rani Khamar and Madhuban areas be relieved of their power problems as soon as possible. Now it remains to be seen what role the concerned power department and the government will take in this regard. Bureau Report, Halabol.